These are the top 3 fastest growing animals on Earth, and number 1 grows bigger than a school bus. Comment which one surprised you the most. But first, like and subscribe if you love amazing animals. Number 3, the hippopotamus. Baby hippos are already heavy at birth, but they grow incredibly fast during their first year. Number 2, the ocean sunfish. It starts life tiny but can grow thousands of times its original size. And number 1, the whale shark. Born relatively small, it grows into the largest fish on Earth, reaching lengths longer than a school bus.